Welcome to CAD Center's Executive Diploma in BIM, where innovation meets education. Dive into detailed BIM modeling and explore the dynamic world of digital twins. With advanced technology, you'll craft virtual replicas for real-time analysis, mastering up to 500 LODs. Topics includes BIM concepts, LOD dimensions, BIM execution plan, integration, and an overview of BIM 360, ensuring you're prepared for real-world challenges. Learn essential skills like document management, model coordination, and RFI workflow within BIM 360, enriched with case studies from global projects. Be a part of the future of construction. Enroll in our Executive Diploma in BIM and unlock the potential of digital twins and worldwide case studies. CAD Center. Building the future, one digital twin at a time.